Alright, welcome again to my tutorial video today, guys, on how you can easily copy professional trader using an AI on tag markets. The first step you need to do is to just make sure to register on XFusion. Then you connect your account with tag market. XFusion is the AI provider, and why tag market is the liquidity provider. Alright, where you can get more liquidity, more funds to trade. They can give you 12x, 24x of your capital once you are trading, like more leverage to your capital. So now, right now, I'm going to show you everything in this video. Just need to stick around and watch this video to the end. It's very, very important. Don't miss any part of this video. How can you copy the trader? The first step you need to do, register, verify. I have the video already down below this video. So now, after that, you need to just make sure to fund your account. Come to this particular deposit area. I've already made the video how you can easily fund your account. So you come to this deposit icon, then you fund the money. All right, let's say I want to fund with 250 or 241 because let's say I have like 2 something here. I can fund it with $242 wherever. You can click on 100, 500, 1000, or click on other. Let's say I want to fund with $241. It depends on how much you want to go for. Let's say I have like 241. Let me put like $241 because I have like $10 there before. $241. That's what I'll just fund. And I click on next. So you can fund with your Naira, but I normally recommend using crypto. Crypto is very, very fast and easy. You click on this area, all right, then you click on submit. All right, then it can give you where you can fund your money. All right, all right, so you can fund either with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD coin, Binance coin, Solana coin. I don't want to show the area of the wallet, but let me just kindly fund that money. I'll just click on this Tether right now, then I'll fund the money, then I'll get back to you in this video. Let me just do that right now real quick. All right, okay, sorry, so I'll try to select BEP20. So when you click on this BEP20, it will generate a wallet. Copy that particular wallet. I don't want to show that wallet online because of security reason. Copy that particular wallet given to you there. After clicking on this BSC BEP20, TRC, Ethereum, let me just do that, then I'll fund the money, then I'll get back to you in this video. So let me just do that right now. Right now, I've already fund the money. I've already tried to fund the account. You can see payment successfully. Payment successfully. So let me just go back to that account area. All right, let me just try to refresh the page for you guys to see. It's very, very important. When you see the money is down there, 251.97 is on the account. 251.97 right now is being reflected on this area. So the next step right now is to just make sure to go back to start copying the professional trader. All right, so what you need to do is to just make sure to copy to this area, copy down. The money has to reflect 251. You come to this area, copy X. You have to just make sure to wait for it to load up. Click on copy S. It's loading. All right, it's loading, so just wait for it to load up. So I have to just wait for the interface to come in right now. All right, so just make sure the thing open very well. So you guys need to just wait for it. All right, so once you click on this copy S, you can see my caution. Once you click on copy S, it will show you this area. So the one of the recommended copy signal provider, the strategy provider I want to copy is Sonic right now on this video. All right, I normally copy this one as well, but I want to copy this one for this video so that you guys can follow the same thing I do. All right, so I want to follow this Sonic AI. Is trading gold, and and this one is trading Euro USD. This is the one I just want to copy. You now click on this details. All right, click on details. All right, you just need to click on that details so that you can see everything clearly right now. Okay, just make sure to allow it to load up because of so it has already shown you guys. All right, this is the performance fee. Minimum is 10, but so what you need to do is to you can click on this connect here, or you can come to this area and click on connect, and these are the everything. So what you need to do, just come to this area called connect. All right, you have already found your account already. Come to this area and click on this connect. Then when you click on connect, you need to just put in the money. let's say I want to put in 250. I think I have like $251 there, $251. So then before you do anything here, come to this area. All right, click on token. Then you need to just put something like hash. All right, something like hash, then NEO in capital letter NEO. That's the strategy you need to just put in. So don't do any single mistake on that particular area. You need to, and then you need now click on this verify. All right, it's very, very important. All right, now after you insert this particular hash NEO, then you now click on this verify. You now click on this verify. You have to just wait for it to verify your account. All right. Then after that, I've already inserted the NEO. You now on this particular area, we have to just put something like 60. 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, make sure it's 60. You now click on this submit. Can you see? You now click on this 1 2. Can you see? I've reached. Click on this button. Make sure it's 60 and make sure you put your amount. Make sure everything is correct. You now click on this copy now. Copy now. All right, just allow it to load up. All right, click on copy now and just allow it to load up. Right, can you see? Copy account created. It's that simple, guys. You can see. So you can see I have already, so I have like $500 there already total invested, but just allow it to load up here. So I'm copying Sonic right now. I'm going to show it's loading. So you can see I have already, you can also log into your account on your MT5. The login detail is down. Can you see this is MT5 credential? You can click on master password and it's down below. I will not show you that because of security reason. I will not show you that area. So make sure you go and log in your account on MT5. Show you here on that down below this video. You can see everything here. All right, down. You can log in your account here. Just scroll down like this. This is the login details. I may not show, I may blur all this area for you guys because of security reason. You can see this is the master and everything here. So now after that, then if you want to check your something, if you want to stop, let's say you want to withdraw your money, you want to withdraw your profit, you now come to strategy here. You have to allow it to load up. All right, so when you click on strategy, just allow it to load up. You can see I'm copying this one. I've already copied this one already. So this is the one I'm copying. They give me $6,000. They give me $6,000, which is 24x. All right, this is 251. So if you want to check, just drag your something to this area. You can see this is, if you want to stop, you click on stop. Later, if you want to, after 30 days. So if you want to withdraw your profits, you can see, you can click on withdraw. Later, you can see, but you don't have any money there yet. You don't have any money there yet. So just leave it. You don't have any money there yet. So that's how in 30 days. So if you want, so that's how. Then if you want to put more money, you can put more money. Click on deposit. All right, you put more money there. Minimum is $10. You deposit. That is more. Why the robot is still trading for you? It's that simple. Let me show you again. If you want to get everything here, you come to, this is dashboard. You come to strategy. All right, you come to strategy here. All right, when you come to strategy, just allow it to load up. It will load. Then you need to see all your details. You can stop, you can close. So you see, then you drag your something to the right hand side here. This thing, you put your something, drag it here. You can see stop, withdraw, deposit active. Then if you want to withdraw your profits, you can withdraw your profits. So I've already explained everything to you guys. So to your wallet, then you withdraw. Click, this is profits. You put in, you withdraw. It's that simple. If you want to stop entire process at the end of the day, you can click on stop. So they give me 24x right now of my something. So that's how it works, guys, on how you can copy NEO on this. I put in 250. They give me $6,000 of liquidity. All right, so that's how you can just copy NEO on Tag Market. Try to share this video, like and comment. Let me know if you want to see all your, if you want to log into your something, just click on this one. You are going to be able to log into your account. All right, on MT5. It's very, very simple, and easy. I will make another video for that. how you can log in your account by monitoring the trade on MT5 app. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, let me just know in the comment section. If you want, this is your active something, you have to trade. This is an inactive. You can see this one are on inactive. All right, this one is on inactive. You can see everything clearly. So that's how it works, guys. This is bridge one, this is favorite, it depends. So just ask me any question. If you have any question, I'm here to answer your question. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you guys in my next comment video. Bye for now, guys.